Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha nje engizobe ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke ukuze zingakuphuthi-ke lezi ndaba nje. Ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje ngilethele-ke ubaba-ke laphana-ke we-ANC-na-ke laphana-ke ehlaziya-ke laphana ukuthi-ke i-MK-ke ibe nenhlanhla kanjani-ke ngoba ngokwakhe ukuthi-ke i-MK-ke ibe nenhlanhla-ke afika ngesikhathi la abantu khona-ke sebevele-ke bedubile-ke laphana-ke futhi-ke uthi i-MK-ke ifike ngesikhathi-ke esi-right-ke lapha. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke, mina kuphela into enzo nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke. Sengicela laphana ukuthi masuzwile-ke nje le video le ke noma comment section for usho umbono wakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba leli-ke olushiwo-ke ulo baba-ke. Masichaza nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nawo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Uyazi uma ngathiwa nje kwenziwe i-assessment kurate nje ukuthi ubani ocampaign strongly, who campaigned well, i-ANC ingahamba yodwa, the way esi-campaigning ngakhona. We went out in full force, sishaya door to door. But what we discovered ukuthi the voter had already moved on. The voter wanted an alternative at all costs, So thina sifane nomuntu oye athi mexabene nomuntu wakhe amzibe isikhathi esijana, athi sefika kuyena ezoxolisa simplanele kahle, afike lo muntu uthole ukuthi usemove on. Ungasho konke wazi ukuthi kuzomimpress, usho ukuthi hayi ngeke manje namaphutha ami ngiwabonile wonke, ngizowalungisa 1 or 2, but usulate, semove on already. So thina we were faced with a similar situation, senze konke, but kwathola ukuthi the vote had moved on. MK yaba fortunate ngoba yaqhamuka nge-right time, yafika ngalesikhathi i-voter ivele eager for an alternative party. MK yafika yasweep. As a result, naye MK mokhuluma nje nabantu abasenior be-MK, ngiziyeka-ke ingane ngoba zibiziwe noPhapha. Mokhuluma nabantu abasenior be-MK, they'll tell you ukuthi nabo were surprised. They didn't expect the voter turnout. Nabo they were surprised ukuthi hawu senze kanje. So lokho-ke it tells you ukuthi for us to come back, we need to regain the confidence of the voters. And nayo-ke i-MK mayingase ilahlisa icabanga ukuthi nangokhetho la 2026 kuyobe kusekumalume.